The social tapestry weaving connections in the digital age. Over half the world's population uses social media. Billions connect, share, and interact online daily. This revolutionized our communication, information consumption, and lifestyles. Join us on a journey through social media's evolution and its societal impact. From bulletin boards to the Metaverse, we'll explore social media's transformation into a global phenomenon. From bulletin boards to early social networks, the pioneers. Our journey begins in the late 1970s and early 1980s with bulletin board systems, or BBSs. These systems were the first stepping stones into the world of online communication. They were simple, text-based platforms that allowed users to post messages, share files, and even play text-based games. These were early forms of online communities where users could connect with others who shared similar interests. Whether it was discussing hobbies, sharing technical knowledge, or just socializing, BBS provided a new way for people to interact without being in the same physical space. BBS were text-based and accessed through dial-up modems, making them a far cry from the multimedia-rich platforms we use today. The process of connecting was slow and often noisy, with the familiar screeching sound of the modem becoming a hallmark of early internet use. However, they laid the groundwork for online communities and social interaction in the digital age. The sense of community and the ability to communicate instantly with others were revolutionary concepts that would evolve significantly in the coming decades. The late 1990s and early 2000s saw the emergence of the first recognizable social networking sites. These platforms took the basic idea of BBSs and expanded on it, incorporating more advanced features and a more user-friendly interface. Platforms like Friendster, Orkut, and MySpace allowed users to create profiles, connect with friends and family, and share messages, photos, and videos. These sites were more visually appealing and interactive, making them more accessible to a broader audience. These platforms were a significant leap forward, offering a more visual and interactive experience than BBSs. They introduced features like customizable profiles, photo albums, and the ability to comment on friends' posts, which made online interaction more engaging and personal. They quickly gained popularity, especially among younger generations, and paved the way for the social media giants that would soon dominate the landscape. The success of these early platforms demonstrated the immense potential of social networking, setting the stage for the rise of Facebook, Twitter, and other major players in the social media world. Facebook and Twitter, giants reshaping the social landscape. In 2004, Mark Zuckerberg launched Facebook, a platform that would go on to become synonymous with social media itself. What started as a small project in a Harvard dorm room quickly expanded beyond the university, capturing the interest of millions worldwide. Zuckerberg's vision was to create a space where people could connect, share, and build communities online. Facebook's clean interface, focus on connecting with real-life acquaintances, and innovative features like the newsfeed quickly made it the most popular social networking site globally. The newsfeed, in particular, revolutionized how users consumed content, providing a continuous stream of updates from friends and pages they followed. Twitter, launched in 2006, offered a different approach with its microblogging format, allowing users to share short public messages called tweets. Unlike Facebook, Twitter emphasized brevity and immediacy, with a character limit that encouraged concise communication. This unique format appealed to users who wanted to share quick thoughts, updates, and links. Twitter became a platform for real-time updates, news dissemination, and public discourse, attracting a diverse user base from celebrities and politicians to journalists and activists. Its open nature allowed for direct interaction between public figures and their followers, fostering a sense of immediacy and accessibility. The rise of Facebook and Twitter marked a significant shift in the social media landscape. These platforms not only changed how we communicate, but also how we perceive and interact with the world around us. They became central hubs for information, entertainment, and social interaction. These platforms became integral parts of our lives, influencing everything from how we consume news and information to how we connect with friends and family. The ability to stay in touch with loved ones, regardless of geographical barriers, brought people closer together. They also became powerful tools for businesses and organizations to reach their target audiences, paving the way for the rise of social media marketing and influencer culture. Companies could now engage with customers directly, receive instant feedback, and tailor their marketing strategies to meet the needs and preferences of their audience. The launch of the iPhone in 2007 marked a pivotal moment in technology history. This event, coupled with the subsequent rise of smartphones, revolutionized the way we access and interact with the internet. Suddenly, the world was at our fingertips, accessible anytime and anywhere. Social media platforms were quick to adapt to this shift, recognizing the potential of mobile connectivity. They developed mobile apps that made it easier than ever for users to stay connected on the go, ensuring that social interactions were just a tap away. The convenience of mobile access led to a surge in social media usage, transforming how we communicate and share our lives. With people checking their feeds multiple times a day, social media became an integral part of daily routines. Users began sharing updates, photos, and videos from their daily lives, creating a digital diary of sorts. The integration of social media with our physical location further blurred the lines between the online and offline worlds, making our digital and physical lives more interconnected than ever before. This seamless integration created new opportunities for social interaction and commerce, changing the way we live, work, and play. As smartphones with high-quality cameras became ubiquitous, visual content took center stage on social media platforms. Platforms like Instagram, launched in 2010, capitalized on this trend, offering users a dedicated space to share photos and videos with their followers. Instagram's focus on aesthetics, filters, and visual storytelling quickly made it one of the most popular social media platforms, especially among younger generations. Later, TikTok, with its short-form videos and addictive algorithm, would take the world by storm, further cementing the dominance of visual content in the social media landscape.